Amelia Hansen here with Usborne Books and More, and I am going to show you one of our Lift the Flap first question and answers book. What makes it rain? There's flaps on each page. Just goes to explain why it rains, where the rain comes from, how big the rain drops are, how the sky gets its water, and then when do rainbows appear. How you can make your own rainbow. Can you touch the rainbow? How hot is the sun? Tells where it rises. How it moves across the sky. What makes it a sunset orange and red? Why does lightning flash? And why does thunder rumble? This is a really great book to pull out whenever there's a thunderstorm. I've actually done that before, just to explain why we hear that really loud and scary rumble. And it can kind of answer some of their questions and ease their fears a little bit. How far away is a storm? That's a fun activity to do during a storm. Where does the wind come from? How strong is the wind? What does this do in the wind? What's a tornado? Are waves bigger on windy days? Why does it snow? And what's snow made of? Where does the snow come from? How do you make a snowman? Where does the snow go? Great questions. Most kids are going to be asking these types of questions, and sometimes we as adults don't really even know the answers. So this is just a great book to have on your shelf, and this is $14.99. One of our Lift the Flap books.